Hello, this is Jason, and I am on the beach here in Georgetown, Batu Ferringhi, I think, and it's very beautiful. This is on like the other side of the island from where I'm staying. Totally different vibes over here. It's very nice. Got little places to sit, umbrellas, get a drink, get some food. We already ate though. And it's about probably half-hour drive from where I'm staying. But it's definitely worth a trip out here. I'm glad I got a local guide to show me these cool places. Very beautiful. I brought the drone with me too. I find a shady spot to sit down, get the drone up, give you a bird's eye view. Very, very beautiful. Looks like some good places to come later in the day. I haven't got any umbrellas here. Looks like they have live music up there on stage. Might be a good place to come watch the sunset. Pretty sure the sunset's right over the ocean over here. One cool thing about living on an island, get up early enough, go to one side of the island and watch the sunrise out of the ocean. Go to the other side, watch the sunset in the ocean. See you. We're gonna go to this place, Coconana. Maybe get a drink, sit under the umbrella, and I'll get the drone up in the air for you. Check this view out. Up on the second floor here at Coconana. Coconana. Desserts and coffee in the shade. Very beautiful. So that is it for the beach here in Georgetown. It's very beautiful. And they told me this place is actually kind of new. Like this whole little strip is only a few years old. So it's very nice. All the buildings are pretty modern. And it's a very popular place to come watch the sunset. I hear a lot of people come out here for that. So that's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.